We start with the 1 hour chart for ETC. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, all right, because in my last video, the price was exactly within this move. I mentioned we can look at this one as a flat. That's why I mentioned if the price give another 1 or 2 hours or maximum 3 hours, be within this one and turn to a flag, then any trade from there by having entry above the top, we can look for buy. Anyway, this is the only flag we could get. That's mean the only way was to put our entry as a 48, because if we move to 15 minutes, it will be more clear. Okay. And this is where we could look at this one as a flag. This is the different type of the flag. The only way was to put our entry above the top, which is a 48, because I mentioned if we get the flag, we can put our entry above the top. That's mean above the flag. And what we're looking for continuation as a short move. Anyway, most of the chart, they have a similar movement, and whoever get the trade from this trade from here, it was not really good and clear trade, but still we can consider as a flag. And whoever get the trade from here, either move their stop loss to break even, or at least move their stop loss to 50. Okay, now want to see what's the next, because if we move to daily chart, in my last analysis I mentioned we're looking for continuation and we want to see the breakout of the 63. This is the level still we're looking for. We want to see whether the price can break 63 or not, because if we move to forward chart, also we want to see, we can see the level then is the previous top, which is somewhere around 63. But whether we should look for buy or not, right now we don't have any trade setup, either based on forward chart and even based on 1 hour chart. Okay, buying simply without the trade setup is not really good idea. The only update is whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even, or move their stop loss to somewhere around 50, at least book a small profit. And if there is a continuation with, and the price could break the 63, is good for us. Okay, and even if he wants to look for the next trade, we need to see the correction of flag. Then from there, we can consider whether we should look for the next trade or not. And the only update is at least move our stop loss to break even. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And since the continuation was really sharp, that's why we need to move our stop loss to at least to break even, because so whenever we get the sharp, there is a possibility of the reversal exactly similar to what we get here. Okay, that's why simply we cannot look for buy, we have to wait for the next trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.